Good morning, students. Welcome to our class, Amma. In your previous class, I gave a revision. FA1 revision is completed, Amma. FA1 revision completed in your previous class. Let's start syllabus, Amma. Now, continue exams and continue also syllabus, daily syllabus. Then we'll continue, Amma. Now, coming to our class. Months in a year. Months in a year. Now, days of the week is over. Next, months in a year. Tell me, children, in how many months in a year? How many months in a year? We know that. How many months in a year? 12 months in a year. Tell me, children, how many months in a year? 12 months in a year. First, read it, children. Read with me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. How many months total? 12 months, Amma. Now tell me, children, so what is the present month? 11th month. What is that month? November. 11th month is a November. Present month is a November. Okay. Now next month. What is the next month, children? December. That is the end of the year. Okay. December. Now previous month is what, children? October. Previous month is a October. Present month is a November. Now next coming month is a December. Now these are 12 months in a year. Now read these, children. First of all, copy in your classwork and practice well and read it and read spelling also. What is today homework, children? This 12 months in a year. Write down in your homework book one time in your homework book. Okay, what is your today homework? Months in a year. Once again, tell me, children. First month. What is the first month? First month is the January. Now second month is the February. Now third month is the March. Fourth month is April. Now fifth month is May. Sixth month is June. Seventh month is July. Eighth month is August. Ninth month is September. Now 10th month is October. Now 11th month is November and last and 12th month is December. Okay. Now here on this about here getting one matching match the months. First one January. Where it is January. First of all January first month. You know that January is the first month. Where it is first month, here is there first month, you matching to first month. Okay, this is doing your test book and post it. Now February. What is the February? How much month is February? Not how much. What is this month? Second month. What is this month? Second month. February is the second month. Where is the second month, Amma? Here is there. You matching to second month. Now next March. Tell me, children, March is the third month. Where is the third month? Here is there. You matching to third month. Now next April. April is the fourth month. You matching to fourth month. Now next May. May is the fifth month. Where is the fifth month? Here is there. You matching to fifth month. Now next June. June is the sixth month. Where is the sixth? Here is there. You matching to sixth month. Okay. You do like this in your test book, okay, children. Now next here get some timetable, Amma. Days, first day, second day, third day, fourth, fifth and sixth day. All of you look at your test book, children. Monday is the first is English and Tuesday. Monday second is Hindi, maths, moral science, art, games. Here get some timetable. On this timetable here asking some question answers. You fill these question answers, okay? Now post copy it, Amma. Next. Shall I rough it, children? Next activity. Write in your textbook and class book also. Or look at the class 1 timetable and fill in the boxes. What is your first question, Amma? Monday's third period is off. Monday's third period is off. Okay, children, look at back. Look at the back timetable. Now here, Monday is the third. Third period is what? These are periods, these are days. Monday's third period is what, Amma? Maths. Monday's third period is maths. Here write down maths. Now second question. What is the second question? Wednesday. Now tell me, children, Wednesday second period. Wednesday second period is what? Hindi. Write down here Hindi. Okay. Now next question. Monday's dash period of Hindi. Look at Mac. Monday's dash period of Hindi. In Monday, where is it, Amma? Second period is the Hindi. Here write down second period. Now fourth question. Dash second period is of maths. Where it's second period maths? Where it's second? Check it. Where it's second period maths? Thursday. Thursday second period is of maths. Thursday second period is of maths. Now fifth question. Wednesday's period is of music. Wednesday period of music. Which period, Amma? Fourth period. No. Sixth question. Monday's last period is off. Tell me, children, look at your book and tell me, Monday's last period is off. What is that last period? Games. What is that last period, Amma? Games. Now, next question. Friday's last period is of social. Sorry. Friday's dash period is of social. Check it. Friday's where it's social period? Fourth period. Friday's fourth period is of social. Now next question. Monday's fifth period is of. Monday's fifth period is of. Tell me children. Monday's is the fifth period is what? Odd. Odd period. Odd subject. Odd subject. Now next one. Ninth one. Copy in your classwork, Amma. All 5 days dash period is of games. Tell me, all 5 days dash period is of games. In which period, Amma? 6th period. Here write down 6th period. Now 10th one. What is the 10th one? Dash and dash periods. Dash and dash periods of Thursday maths. Dash and dash periods of Thursday maths. Second and third. Second and third periods of Thursday maths. Okay, Amma? Please copy in your classwork and you learn math, months in a period. You learn that, Amma. You learn spelling also. First of all, this is copy in your classwork and write in your textbook also. Okay, children. I will start next chapter in next class, Amma. Thank you. Bye.